Hi, I'm Will Roberts and I'm running for Volusia County Tax Collector. I'm the candidate with the certification, experience, education, and ethics to be Volusia County's first elected tax collector in 50 years. I'm a Florida certified assistant tax collector. I've worked in our county revenue division for more than 7 years, and I have a master's degree in public administration. I already collect your taxes. I have collected more than $680 million in your property taxes annually for 4 years. I already work for you. I have not accepted any campaign contributions from PACs and special interests. 80% of my contributors live right here in Volusia County. I am an effective leader. I have the respect of the revenue team, and they know me, and they know I'm qualified to be their leader. I've built the relationships to make this transition go smoothly. I've already had meetings about the tax collector transition with leaders inside the county, with the Florida Department of Revenue, and the Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles, as well as the advice and support from tax collectors around the state. I believe in public service. I've been a public servant for more than 21 years. I served for 7 years in the United States Air Force and 7 years as a corrections officer both here in Volusia County and Seminole County. And that was all in addition to my work in tax collection. My opponent is a typical Tallahassee career politician who speaks out of both sides of his mouth. He says he has experience, but the fact is he has no tax collection certification, experience, or education. He says his business skills will make him qualified for the job, but the fact is he was delinquent on his business's property taxes for all 3 years he owned that business. The bank came in and took over the property. We don't need a tax collector who doesn't pay his own taxes. He says he will work for you, but the fact is 97% of the money funding his campaign are contributions from his political buddies and special interests outside of Volusia County. He's been bought since the day he filed to run for tax collector. He says he didn't ask Volusia County residents for campaign contributions because of COVID. But the fact is, he had more than $20,000 from PACs and special interests outside of Volusia County by mid-January, before COVID hit in mid-March. He says he is going to be an effective leader. But the fact is, the county employees that he would inherit don't respect him because they know more about tax collection than he does. He says he has the relationships to make this transition. But the fact is, he gets confused about which state department issues driver's licenses. This new tax collector position will be built from the ground up. We are starting from the beginning as we move out from under the county's umbrella and become an independent office. It's too big of a job to trust my opponent's words when the facts say otherwise. And as always, you don't have to take my word for it. I've got all the public records online so you can look for yourself about the campaign funding and the delinquent taxes. You can see all of it at votewillroberts.com/informed voter. I think you can see actions speak louder than a career politician's empty promises. When you know the facts, this race is no contest. I'm Will Roberts. I'm running for Volusia County Tax Collector. I would appreciate your vote on August 18th.